Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to change Epic Games password. So let's get started. At first let's get into Epic Games. Now enter your email address and simply click on continue. We need to complete the verification here. Now we need to click on forget your password here. Now click on send email to get the email in the email address. Now simply click on reset password here. Now enter the new password and confirm it. And simply click on reset password now. So it's done. Now you can simply click on sign in and enter the new password to sign into it. So now we are in Epic Games interface. So this is all we can do to change password in Epic Games. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.